Hello Brainiacs, welcome back to my channel. So moving further in our Python series, today we are going to discuss a program to know if the given number is 0, positive or negative. So first of all, let's just get the input of the number from the user. Num is equal to int, as the number is in integer, input, static message, enter the number. And next we are gonna use if else ladder. If num is equal to 0, then print number is 0. Elif num is greater than 0, so print number is positive. Now the last else. Negative. So I'm going to save it and I'm going to run it. If the number is number is positive. Now I'm going to run it again and I'm going to enter a negative number like minus 123. Number is negative. Here the spelling of negative. Yeah. So the number is negative. Here I run it again by entering 0. So the number is 0. If you want this program to be more particular, so you can use here formatting, like you can do like this, num, comma. So when we use this, if I enter 0 like this, so it will 0 is 0. So similarly, if I do this kind of formatting right here, so it will print the number along with it, the entered number, like this. "1425" is positive. So this was today's program. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.